Salt Breeze is a kids-friendly halotherapy spa. Halotherapy is salt therapy. Halo means salt from Greek. And so it's salt therapy, where a person sits in a specially designed salt room, decorated with salt on the floor and on the walls, and inhales the air that is being actively infused with salt powder during a session. Salt itself is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial. What it does, inhaling the air will open up your airways, reduce the inflammation, reduce the spasm, kill any bacteria or virus. It works pretty much like a bronchial brush. It brushes along any impurities. If you have mucus, it absorbs the mucus and stimulates you to cough it up and expel it. The session is 45 minutes long, and all you do is relax in our zero gravity recliner chairs. We give you a blanket if you want to cover yourself if you're a little chilly. A lot of people want to expose their skin. Salt is very good for your skin too. When my husband was sick with chronic rhinitis, and the only solution to this was surgery, has been recommended by several doctors, we started researching options, alternative treatment, and we found this place nearby, and we went there a couple of times, and he started feeling better. And then he attended that place we attended actually both together for about 2 years. And his rhinitis was gone. I felt better. So we started thinking about possibly opening similar place, as we found that it hasn't been represented much in this area. So why we call it kids friendly? Because we have separate room for kids up to 7 years old. Anybody from 2 months old to 7 years old can stay in that room, and it is designed as a playground where kids actually have fun. It's like a huge sandbox filled with salt. Kids play while receiving the benefit, and the parent gets to supervise them on the side or can play with them on the area. And actually parents get to be admitted for free to that room. And why we came with that idea, because the place that we attended previously just had one big room for everybody. And then when we took our daughter, who was 1 or 1.5 at a time, she just couldn't stay quiet during the session, and that kind of disturbed other people, and then we were asked not to come back after like two or three sessions. So that's why we got this idea that it would be good to have a totally separate area for children. The floor salt in the kids' room is heated for an added halo effect and for kids' comfort. So for a salt room, what we need a pharmaceutical grade salt, which is purified salt that is 99.9% pure sodium chloride, free of any additives, any anti-caking agents that are normally added to the salt we eat. So we buy our supplies from Salt Chamber, which is the company located out of Florida, and they are #1 distributor of salt therapy equipment and Himalayan salt in the United States. Well, we get all different kinds of people. People who have heard of salt therapy and tried it before, people who've never heard it and they're curious, people who walk by and they just pop in and they want to know what it is. They try once and don't come back. But generally, we are targeting people who are oriented to drug-free solutions. We have a variety of different packages to meet everybody's needs. We start with welcome deal. If you come as a new client, so you get 2 sessions for the price of 1. And then we have packages of 5 and 10 sessions, and also unlimited memberships. We call it Halo membership for a month, 3 months, 6 months, and a year. Actually, being a nurse, I think helps me in a way that I understand how the physiology works. I understand what's happening inside our body and what's happening if we breathe better and we receive more oxygen in our body. That's why I think it wasn't foreign to me. So, and it was something, especially I'm a surgical nurse, so I know what's going on in the operating room. So, and I see that I do not undermine regular traditional medicine, but I see that sometimes it fails. It's not always the best answer. And that's why I putting all of this together with my medical training and my training in halotherapy, I came to the strong belief that this actually works very well as a complementary treatment or maybe as a substitute for traditional medicine.